So we're here in the heart of London, London town. If you've ever been to London, you know that London's got many, many hearts. But this is actually the heart. This is central London, right next to Oxford Circus. We are at Carnaby Street and we're outside the Rolling Stone shop for the UK launch of Crossfire Hurricane, a small batch Jamaica rum that celebrates the time that the Rolling Stones spent in Jamaica in 1972. But we'll get more into that a little bit later. What I want you to do is follow me into the shop and we'll just have a look around, speak to some people, have a bit of rum, have a bit of food, and bring the Jamaican vibe to the heart of London. So, welcome to RS number 9 in Carnaby Street, London, the official Rolling Stone store. What a befitting place to launch their own new rum, Crossfire Hurricane, a new Jamaica rum that's been inspired by the Rolling Stones' time in 1970s Jamaica.
So my name is Vincent. I'm one of the co-founders of Crossfire Hurricane. We're with my two old friends and partners, Carnaby Alexi, and of course the other partner in crime, Ian Burrell, Mr. Rum, who's one of our co-makers. And we're here to celebrate the launch of Crossfire Hurricane with fans of the band who've travelled from all around the world. Here on Carnaby Street, in the only stone store there is in the world. The choice of Jamaica, I happen to like reggae quite a bit, so I knew the band were into reggae and had been to Jamaica, and the choice of rum was already made. There was an intention from the band to make a rum, and so we worked together to understand what kind of rum, and it was pretty obvious it had to be Jamaican. And we're here and getting to taste, cheers, with Ian introducing the rum, Crossfire Hurricane, for the first time to fans.
So we have two products within Crossfire Hurricane. One is called Gold, one is called Reserve. Gold is a younger rum, Reserve is an older aged rum. Gold is banana, pineapple, very fresh. We're drinking a Jamaican sunrise right now. And Reserve is designed kind of for sipping. It's a better sort of sipping rum. We're having it this evening in an old-fashioned, and they're both delicious.
I travelled up today on the train from Bournemouth, so I've come a bit of a way. Not as far as some people, but my friend Richard was in charge of the guest list, and I was one of the first ports of call. Said, "Oh, I know you're in England. Can you come?" I said, "Absolutely, I'll be there." So that's why I made it.
We kind of know each other, and it's an invitation comes through, and of course they're going to accept. They're going to come along and see what it's all about, and enjoy the flavours of Jamaica.
Do you know what? I've actually had some bottles imported from the States that I'm yet to pick up from London at my friend's house, so I've never tried it yet. So tonight's the first time, and that was the old rum. But this is the Reserve is amazing. The old fashioned's great, and I had the Hurricane rum when I came in. Absolutely gorgeous, so refreshing. But this has got. I am a rum fan, massively rum fan, but that is so nice.
So this is day 2 of the Crossfire launch. So the first one was all of the super fans as such, and this one is like the trade and friends and family that are close by and that type of stuff. So yeah, we're just celebrating what we're doing with the rum, looking at showing them the target audience, and just giving a little bit of information about how the rum is made. We had the opportunity to work with some of the best distilleries, not only in Jamaica, but in the world, and we actually traveled to all of them as well. So that was an honor, and for them to say, use this, create this flavor, add to this, it's what actually ends up in your glass. A blend of rums from some of the most iconic rum distilleries on the island of Jamaica. There's only 6 distilleries there, but we got to use 4 of them. The only distillery we haven't used yet is New Yarmouth, which is owned by Ray Nephew and Appleton. Ray Nephew is the #1 Jamaica rum. They have said they're going to give us some rums to use in our new blend. So I've got samples of that. I haven't tried it yet. I'm going to wait till later. But yeah, there's going to be a new Crossfire Hurricane to add to the family with 5 of the 6 distilleries on the island.
So first and foremost, the brand approached me via Ian, our good friend Ian Burrell, because they're really invested and interested in understanding what they could do for the diaspora and how they could connect to the diaspora, which was important, very important. When you're doing a Jamaican rum, you need to talk to Jamaicans and the wider, Caribbean region in general. I think the rum family. So yeah, so Ian put that together, and we had some great conversations. I got to try the rum, good rum. Obviously, Ian helped put that together, and that's why I'm here. I'm here because basically Ian put the back signal up. I'm there. That's it.
I'm a big fan of the gold, only because A, it's more accessible, but I think it has more Jamaican character. So it has this bit of Jamaican funk to it, which I really love. So I think that the islands, the rums that come from the island, they exude real character.
So first of all, we got the Hurricane cocktail, which was a little too sweet for my liking. I much prefer this one. This is the old-fashioned. Obviously, you can really taste the quality. You can taste that heat, but it's not too overwhelming. It's really balanced in this old-fashioned drink, which I really like.
I've had it in the rum punch, and I've had it in the old-fashioned as well. And all I can say is smooth. Like, I walked in and the rum punch was punching, and I said, yeah, it's smooth.
So my friend invited me, she's also a journalist, I was her +1. And obviously, who doesn't know the Rolling Stones? Who doesn't love rum? It's the perfect event. The thing is, I don't really drink spirits neat, but this rum goes down so well.